Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to disable spell check in Chrome on your PC. If you prefer to use your own spell check tools or find the built-in spell check feature distracting, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It is represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Open Languages in the Settings menu. Step 5. Locate the spell check option and turn it off. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the spell check feature in Chrome on your PC. This will allow you to use alternative spell check tools or browse without the distraction of automatic spell checking. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.